Yes, I still dream of changing the country and still dream that it can be done with a good presidency, no? However, having said that, I'm very practical. So, it depends on what surveys you look at, because there are some surveys where candidacy of some of the MP candidates, including myself, are viable, no? So for example, hindi nilalabas ng Pulse Asia at ng SWS yung labanan na 3, 4, 5 lang. Pero sa 3, 4, 5, ibang-iba ang score namin kaso doon sa 14. And we don't predict that it will be a one-on-one fight, but we don't also believe that 14 ang tatakbo. We think it's between 4 to 7 candidates ang maglalaban-laban. Number 2 or number 3, depende kung sino nandun. Kasi maraming kandidato nag-aagawan ng boto eh. I think anything is possible except for those who are anti-corruption and B9.